Today is Tuesday, September 29th, 2020. Our learning target is I can research a biography using the library database. Your success criteria, you can use the library database and you can record your answers in a graphic organizer. Our agenda for today is to complete the Brown Girl Dreaming summary, the dot writing activity, the vocabulary log, and then the biography graphic organizer. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that you finished your Brown Girl Dreaming audio summary. So under classwork, September 21st through 25th, you need to click on Brown Girl Dreaming audio summary, and you need to listen, escuchar, the Brown Girl Dreaming audio summary. So these are the people that need to do the summary. Esas son las personas que necesitan escuchar. Karina, Arturo, Cedric, Alexander, Sebastian, Naomi, Alexa, Juan, Gerson, and it looks like yo tengo, Mauricio, Bernardo, Santiago, Edgar, Arleth, Kashnelis, and Alejandro. So, estas son las personas que faltan este trabajo, necesitan hacer este trabajo primero, first. Next activity that I need is the writing activity, the dot. So está debajo de 21 hasta 25. The writing activity, the dot. Okay, so las personas que necesitan hacerlo, Arturo, Cedric, Alexander, Sebastian, Edgar, Naomi, Kashnelis, Gerson, and Mauricio. Okay, so right here, aquí, tiene el video para mirar. Okay, so you have to click right here to watch the video. Okay, right here is the video. Okay, para mirar el video. Then you have to go back. Tienes que regresar to this writing activity. Esta es la actividad donde vas a escribir. You're going to write right here. No puedes escribir aquí. Esto es una imagen. You cannot write right here. This is an image. Okay, so right here, aquí abajo, is where you write. Es donde vas a escribir. So you have 3 sentence stems over here. 3 oraciones para número 1 and 3 oraciones para número 2. 3 sentences for number 2. Okay, here is the question that you have to answer. Estas las preguntas que tienes que contestar. Okay, and vas a escribir aquí. You're going to turn it in right here. So the people that need to do that, las personas que necesitan hacer esta actividad, Arturo, Cedric, Alexander, Sebastian, Edgar, Naomi, Kashnelis, Gerson, and Mauricio. Is the vocabulary log. Okay, so under September 21st through September 25th, the vocabulary log. Okay, so in the vocabulary log, there are 8 slides. Hay 8 que necesitas hacer. So we did 3, 4, and 5 together. Hicimos 3, 4, y 5 juntos. Y tenías que hacer 6, 7, y 8. You had to finish number 6, number 7, and number 8. So si no terminaste 3, 4, y 5, tienes que regresar y terminar estos 3 también. Okay? You have to use the definition, the synonym, the antonym, y una oración. Right here, you're going to put an image. So para buscar la palabra, you're going to use tools, herramientas, and the dictionary. I'm going to type the word. Voy a escribir la palabra. Here is the definition. Aquí está el significado. And it has the synonym and it has the antonym. Ya tiene las palabras de synonym, cosas que son iguales, and antonyms, cosas que son diferentes. If the definition, si el significado no tiene synonyms and antonyms, you need to go to Google y usar Power Thesaurus. Okay, with power thesaurus, here's the synonyms, las cosas que son iguales, and then here's the antonyms, las cosas que son diferentes. And you're going to copy that. Personas que faltan este trabajo: Arturo, Alexander, Sebastian, Edgar, Naomi, Kashnelis, Gerson, and Mauricio tienen que terminar este trabajo también. Okay? If you finished all that, si ya todo eso está completo, you're going to go to the Biography Project. You're going to open up the Biography Cyber Sandwich. And you are going to complete number 6. Vas a terminar número 6. You need to pick, tienes que elegir una de las personas para estudiar. You got to pick one person to study. You're going to go to the launch pad. You're going to go to the library resources, la carpeta de library resources, and you're going to choose the biography. Vas a picar en biografía. Okay, you're going to search right here. Vas a elegir aquí para buscar tu persona. And you're going to put the information on slide number 6. Vas a poner la información en número 6. If you cannot type, remember to make a text box. And that's what you're going to do for today. And I will see you guys on Wednesday. Nos vemos el miércoles. Bye, everybody.